my God, Mike really finished them all, yeah? Mike did finish the plowing. You have to leave that one open?
No, I'm gonna close it right now.
Ah.
I'm gonna go in so you can see
Ah, yes.
a little bit.
I had never seen here. Oh, first time.
The crates, the stuff I brought today.
Ah. Woo, man. You can fit there?
Yeah, but we're gonna go back because we're gonna close the door. Okay, let me close the door.
This is closer. This is smaller.
We don't have power here. There's no power.
Ah.
So there's no back, no power.
Wow.
It's different from here.
We need
Only at
to.
daytime.
We need to have a daytime, not the rainy.
Have snacks.
Why they have that one? Preparation?
Oh, we have a generator.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But right now it's not working because we don't come over here a lot.
Alright guys, that is the wheel or tabay or balloon. Preparation for balloon. I was not able to video. I was gonna video Mike doing there.
Doing what?
The farming. Sabi po.
Okay, hold on.
No, it's my seatbelt.
Hold on.
Ha!
Hold on.
My God! Wait! Are you serious?
Yeah.
Why?
This is the best one.
Oh! It looks like someone was already here.
Yeah. I like it.
Ah!
Scary. It's like a roller coaster when you're over there.
Yeah.
If I'm driving, I'm okay. But over there is scary. Okay, hold on.
We were hit.
Yeah. It was a big branch.
Our winner here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah. I remember this one.
Yeah. Okay, this is where the elk is. morning.
The group.
Yeah. Okay, have you been there? We're gonna go somewhere else. Shaky.
So who lives here before, you know?
Here?
Here.
No, this is like a little garage for this house. It's like chickens.
So who lives there?
Oh, I don't know. It's really old.
Are the people who lives, who owns this one before?
I don't know. Pete let someone live there. I was like a co-worker.
This one should be sell out.
Sell it?
Yeah,
Yeah. But it was.
because it's big.
Oh yeah,
It has
yeah.
to be, what's this big, lumber.
Chop. Yeah, for firewood.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for 2-3 years.
Ah. We haven't been there.
No?
No.
Oh, okay, you're gonna like this one. This is the best one. This is my favorite.
Can you go up?
Yeah, but
What?
on the ATV. No, yes, we can.
You scare me, man.
No, we can.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's not gonna tip off? Wow, man!
Yeah, we can. I'm just.
What
No, never.
Oh no, the
Let's see,
maple
let's see.
tree, maple tree.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Maple tree.
Yes, it is maple. But it's different maple. Oh, because some maple tree looks like marijuana. Some. Have you seen it?
Sorry, no.
It's skinny. This is maple, but this is a big.
I was laughing. I was laughing.
Wait, no apples.
I was laughing when you said there's no apple.
No, I mean, wait, maybe. I mean, no, I was like, no apples. I never seen apples in the ground. Because you always see apples in the ground.
How well is that?
What?
This color.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's bright. It's bright in the dark.
Yeah.
Did you?
Maybe it's dying? I don't know.
No. It says it will change color because of the coming winter or something.
The ball. Oh yeah, getting colder.
So this area still fits?
Yeah.
Ah.
There's a hole in the ground. It hurts. Boom! It hurts when you go over it.
Yeah.
It hurts.
I thought it's only until the lake.
Oh no. We're almost there.
So what's in there?
Nothing. The fence. We go around. But
Ah.
you can see the fence of the property.
Ah. The boundary.
The property of me. Whoa. The boundary. Yup. Exactly.
Oh man, I'm scared.
It's okay. It's fun game.
Ah! Oh, that's painful.
Oh yeah, there's
See?
horns. Oh yeah, me too.
Boy,
Look.
be careful.
Through here, the deer, they come through here.
Shit.
They come to the water they come to the pond to eat water, to drink. Every day, every 2-3 days.
Ah.
There's a fence right there. The fence, see the fence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, so they broke the fence?
Oh yeah, always.
Ah, so don't put the fence then.
I don't know, the neighbor, like a long time ago.
Ah, that's the fence.
Yeah, they come and eat the water.
Ah! Property keep out. Wait. I don't trust. I will.
Oh, I know, yeah.
I don't trust.
That's why I'm like, put a seatbelt.
No,
Because it's,
yeah, and also the
you can fall down, you can fall out.
yeah.
Yeah,
Why you don't have the seat belt?
I did.
You put the seat belt lock.
Ah!
Ah!
Okay, let me put the seatbelt. I have to go slow because there's a bump. There's a hole right here.
I can't come here alone.
I know, because
I don't like.
like in half an hour or like an hour, it's gonna be dark.
Oh,
Like really, really dark. You know, like really, really dark. Like you cannot see anything, only the sky.
you can't even see the sky because there's cover.
Sometimes you like this, you can see your hand. It's like dark. Scary.
Slow. So it's good that there's water here, so the animals come here.
Yeah.
Ah, the apple tree. I mean,
The maple.
A maple. It's so funny. Sabi
In the
ko.
Philippines, the apple trees are called maples?
No, the apple tree is we don't have there.
No?
No, never.
Oh shit!
No.
It's illegal if you take seeds over there?
No, it's not illegal.
So why? The weather?
The weather, I think. I think they like cold.
Oh, okay, yeah, too hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Da.
Usually I bring scissors and cut all those I've been cutting.
Next time we bring.
Like once a year I cut. Oh shit! Because you know, it's, you get yeah. So we could go fast and we could go safe. Yeah, every year. But we didn't plan.
We planned to come here, but we did not plan to clean.
Yep. I did not remember about
Next
that.
time, maybe Monday, we can come back during the day.
Yeah.
If it's a good weather.
Yeah.
So we only come here in this nice platform.
Yeah.
And I know there's a boat there.
Rosa lives over here.
Ah, yeah, that's what I was asking. Because when I arrived here, Pete toured me here, and I can't remember where.
The boat right there.
Yeah.
The island.
Yeah.
The bridge is gone, but there
was bridge.
Yeah, you can walk over there.
Ah.
One time we camped right there, or all night camping.
Who put the table there?
Me, Richard, me, Richard. I mean, it was always there.
You boiled the table there?
Yeah, we always use it. We clean it.
That one is maple tree. The yellow one.
I think so, I don't know. Yeah? Oh, yeah. That nobody knows.
It looks like animal in the dark.
Sometimes, no, sometimes.
What is that?
I don't know. Where?
Just like, no, on the ground.
Oh, the flag?
Yeah?
Nothing.
Nothing?
But sometimes, when I'm driving, you can see like deer, you know, or like animals. Mainly deer. Bumpy right here.
I hope the bird will wait for us.
Who?
The birds.
Oh, no, yeah, they always there. They always there. I don't know why. I think they live there.
Where are they gonna sleep? In the
I
tree?
think under the
in the tree or?
In the ground, I think. I don't know.
Their family. I really did not see when you're talking.
I know, because they were like right there. And
no, you said like that. I thought the wiring. I thought the wiring.
But they're dark and
I did not see.
You can see, yeah, they're there, but you can see.
I did not see. I only see the wiring.
I know, because you didn't say anything. I'm like, wait, she didn't say anything. I'm like,
no, I didn't.
And then you told me you didn't see. I'm like, oh, okay, that's fine. Not this one. I'll show you. Let me see.
Don't go up, man. I'm afraid. Man, no, I'm afraid. Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have to put there?
Oh, low and the 4 wheels.
Ah!
For power. high, it's faster. The other
Ah,
one is slow, it's torque. Okay. Get ready.
I'm afraid.
Get ready.
Sabi po.
It's gonna be cool.
Ah!
This is my favorite one. This one's nice. It's really like
No.
hidden.
No.
Right?
There's no.
No, it's a little road.
It's not road.
No, it is, but it's no maintenance.
It's so scary,
No
man.
maintenance.
Ah!
That's why.
Tabi po. Oh my God.
See the road?
Ah, okay.
It's no maintenance. That's why.
Okay.
Nobody comes here. Only me, Richard.
Oh.
I clean it sometimes, but ooh, like maybe once every 2 years. I don't come over here.
Oh my God, scary.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, man. You are wild.
Oh yeah. I like nature. I like nature. Yeah.
Oh. I guess I keep shouting if you go wild, I don't like because I'm scared.
Okay, we're gonna go back.
Go back where?
Whoa, back to the road. Let me look for the.
You go there. Oh, where? I don't know
No,
where.
there's a way over here.
Okay.
Yeah, because through there I can't.
Okay.
I have to be over here.
What? This is not a road, man. This is like a jungle.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
I made a road. It's not a road. We made it.
Ah, that's why.
Yeah.
Now where there's a big log.
I know.
Can you cross?
Yeah. Let me just do this. Oh, this thing? Yes. Won't see right now. Maybe we get stuck here. Oh yeah. Power.
Tabi po. Tabi po. Tabi po. Tabi po. So which way are we going?
We're going back.
Okay. That's crazy. So we went there, right?
Oh, we went up there.
Yeah.
On Monday we'll go again. Or different places.
We have to break the cutter.
The what?
Cutter. Scissor.
Oh yeah, the cutter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. Cutting the branches because the next time you come, you just go like nothing, like one. Right now you have to be like this.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to get cut. Oh, here? There's a Wendigo.
What?
A Wendigo right here.
What is it?
It's like I don't know. It's like I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so the natives, the Indians, they believe that a Wendigo is half tree, half person. It's like a superstition. That's like
Are you believe? Ah, my God. That
no,
sounds...
that's native. That's native. That's not mine. That's native.
Yeah.
You know?
I will search that one.
Search it, but no. Chris told me.
Is that bad?
Chris told me there's a they're not bad, but they tell me there. Oh, because you know why they tell me? Because this and their cars, when they're there, this happens, and that spot only. And I don't know why, but Chris tells me it's a Wendigo.
I know what you mean.
But I haven't seen it. I'm just saying that they tell me that every time they pass through there, the cars turn off.
Shit.
And Chris tells me it's a Wendigo, but I don't know.
I will search that one.
Yeah, search it. It's really interesting. There's
Why
movies.
there's light?
Huh?
Why there's light outside?
Where?
Why someone forgot the lights outside?
Over there?
There's lights in between the greenhouse and the warehouse. You see? The greenhouse and warehouse in between.
Oh, it's a nightlight.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's out. That's outside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in between.
I thought we forgot.
Oh no, that's outside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's outside in between. Yeah. Have you gone through there?
Huh?
Have you gone through here with me?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
don't remember. Oh, so this is included this part?
Huh?
This is included.
This is his.
Oh,
What your boundary?
the pins.
Yep.
Oh.
need to be careful because Mike goes around with this.
It looks like poison.
Yeah, don't eat them because
Yeah.
everything around here is poison.
Oh.
Because Mike comes with this kubura, and
Yeah, that's what he said. He was talking to me.
yeah, so all here is poison. In the back, no, but it's too far to get.
Yeah. This is the boundary, right?
Yep.
There is really a lot. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Wow. Sabi ka. It should be nice during the day.
Oh yeah.
That one is apple. I maple.
Yep.
Why I keep saying apple?
I don't know. You don't use.
You have this one. We come back here during the day, man.
Oh, what is it?
The color, the changes of the color.
Oh, because it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you wanted the plant.
No,
I thought it was medicine.
the color.
Like, oh,
The color.
look at the view. Look.
Yeah, we went here.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. We went for sunset. We stand by there.
Oh, yeah.
It was very cold.
Yes.
And we didn't wait for the sunset because it was very cold.
Oh, cold. Yeah.
Cold.
Yeah.
He was not wearing jacket.
Oh, yeah.
You are very fast.
Oh, yeah. Remember? Taking tickets?
Wow. Which one?
This way.
Very fast. So how do we know that this people is done? Like there's measurement? How do you know that? The wind. The wind. The wind.
The wheel?
Yeah. How do we know that it's done? Finished. There's measurement?
We don't know. He's the one that, the guy that's there, he's the one that knows. But I think Pete knows the checks. He's digging, but it could be any moment. It could be like,
They were hired. They were like was it? It's a company. It's a company.
I don't know. I think it's someone. I think it's a small business. I don't think it's a big
Where
company.
are the birds?
Right here, they're gone. Right here, they sleep right there. I think they're gone because it's night. They sleep right here.
Oh, they're there.
Oh, they're there.
They're making noise.
They're there. They're on the branches. They
Yeah.
sleep on the branches. They don't sleep on the ground.
What is that wiring? The electric?
Yes.
Oh, they are there.
No, everyone, they're all there because they're gonna sleep. They're in the dark and they're gonna sleep.
Oh, I can hear.
Yeah, it's like 20 there at least.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow,
Hi.
Monday.
Saturday. Oh, thank you for the nice tour, sir.
Thank you for the help.
I'm happy that we did good job.
Oh yes, we did a good job.
And I have to turn off my camera. Bye guys, that was a farm